Hey everyone, let me show you how easy it is to turn your Figma design into a ready-to-send email using Migma AI. First, click Import from Figma. You can click here to explore templates or use your own. Then, go to your Figma file, right-click the frame you want to convert and choose Copy Link to Selection. Head back to Migma AI, paste the link and hit Next. You'll see a quick preview. Just click Import Design and Migma AI instantly converts your frame into clean, responsive HTML that works perfectly on every device. You can even run an email pre-flight test to preview your email on Gmail, Outlook and Yahoo and check whether it lands in the inbox or promotions. Migma tests on real devices, captures actual inbox screenshots and also checks for spam or junk placement. You'll see clear evidence along with extra details like spam score and inbox placement, so you know exactly how your email is performing. Now we wait a little until Migma finishes converting. It's done. As you can see, the email looks exactly like the Figma design. Now we can click on the Email Pre-Flight button here. As you can see, these are the actual devices Migma checked and provided screenshots for. Here we can see where the email will land and the detailed reasons why. Here we check if all the links in your email are working correctly. And here you'll find more about your content quality and any grammar issues. Now, once you're happy, click Export to download the HTML, or export it to Mailchimp or Klaviyo with just one click. And that's it. Your Figma design becomes a beautiful, fully compatible email in seconds with Migma AI.